Filming Wasp, new clutch, 384A, 11:30 in the morning, 4 days old.
9 eggs?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think there's 10. 2, 4, 5.
Yeah, I missed that last egg.
Yeah, the wasp just broke one. Okay, the light is just changing. The change of the clutch is like a little stressful. Oh, we should put some water in there.
I did.
Okay, missed that.
What do I do with this one egg? Just leave it there as well?
Throw it in the pond, it'll hatch.
There's a couple other. What did broke another egg?
Grabbing it, pulling it away. Oh, drop that tadpole that it was handling, and the tadpole looks fine. I mean, I don't know, I can only see one side of it, but its tail is not clipped and I don't see a bruise on the axial musculature.
Yeah. Maybe we could just do this and then put the last one somewhere else.
You could put fewer in there because we have multiple boxes and it might be easier later to take them out. Think about where the boxes are going to go.
Figured under the table.
Yeah, maybe like under those tables, but the tables could be moved to a better spot potentially. Like maybe here, pulling the tables a little closer or something. Okay, she just broke another egg. Grabbed the embryo out of it. Is hauling it away. Dropped it, picked it up again. Has now got it on top of the brick. They don't get away hardly from on top of the brick, but sometimes if they're dropped when they're being hauled up, then they get away, like the one that's in the water now. Which, yeah, I just made it swim. It seems totally fine. Alrighty. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the clutch, 1 in the water, 1 being manipulated by the wasp. Wasp flew away, same direction. Frog barn. Oi.
It's the umbrella, right?
Pardon?
It's the umbrella.
What's the umbrella?
Making your arm tied.
Oh, I don't know. I think it's like sitting like this. Right? So, yeah.
So the 2 eggs that were deflated are still there.
Yeah, we should just leave them.
Yeah, I think one of them hatched, but it's still there.
You should be careful about how you pick up and put that down because you're making vibrations that are fundamentally scary.
Okay.
And so, like, today it's okay and tomorrow it won't be.
Yeah.
So just, like, start practicing now to be more careful. You know, you want to just do everything very gently. Try to make as little vibration as you can.
Right?
Yes, because wasps will go in there. Like, yeah. Or even, you know, like some random insect could go in there that's not even looking for wasps, but for eggs, but just like walks all over everything and makes them hatch.
Yeah.
So when you're doing this at 5 days, you're not going to lay down the brick. You're going to have everything upright, and you are going to have a piece of. Okay, well, I'm going to show you how to do it.
I have a piece of tape ready.
Yeah. Yeah. You're probably going to have a piece of tape in your hand ready, and you're going to pick up the thing with the piece of tape and just put it directly onto the brick.
So, it's like this.
It's actually, I mean, just go ahead and do it.
Okay.
There's a wasp back here. And I'll show you, because you're like starting from a totally different place.
Because I'm used to handling eggs that never hatch.
You are, and it makes you cavalier. And if you handle a lot of 5-day-old eggs, you would behave totally differently. Yeah, but you work with a lot of 3-day-old eggs that you could do anything to them. And then, yeah.
And trays are easy.
Mm-hmm.
Like, in terms of moving.
Mm-hmm. By design.
Yeah.
She's biting at a ruptured egg. Nope. Now she's cleaning her face. Oh, she just broke that egg. Biting at a ruptured egg. Grab the tadpole.
And we don't really know how many videos we want yet, right?
Drop the tadpole. No, we don't know how many we want yet. Yeah, we need to do a little bit of analysis and see. Because it kind of depends. I mean, minimally, I would say we want, at least 10 clutch sections per age, but I think we probably want more. And especially for 4 days, because it's going to change a lot from over the course of the day, we probably want more. Yeah, so it really is your sample size, what sample size you need depends on the variance. Right?
Yeah.
We want enough of a sample size for us to understand.
And answer the
For each age, in wasp attacks, why do embryos die? Why do embryos escape? How do those two things happen? What are the embryos doing that is different? Or, is it just dumb luck? Feel like, oh, somebody just hatched at the bottom there. So that was from a ruptured egg. That one just hatched, I think. And it looks totally intact. I mean, the egg, the embryo, no, hatchling, tadpole, uninjured. The tadpole is fine. So there are 3 tadpoles in the water. Let me just check around the back of the brick. Dooba-dooba-doo, yes. Huh. So one of them, I want to make it move because I can't see if that's just a little piece of dirt that it's lying on, or it's actually got some issue. Oh, now it went under the brick, right? That's really helpful. Okay, now there's a tadpole under the brick. It's gonna mess up our counts.
Under?
Yeah. Wasp flew off, same direction. Okay, I can't pick up the brick. It might have a very small tail injury, or it might have been lying on top of a piece of dirt. The one that went under the brick.
You can't lift it?
No, because I'm making motion and vibration and, changing things for the ones that we're videotaping. So, no. Later, yes. Like when this is done, yes. But,
Okay.
or it might swim out, But I'm not going to lift it right now, because that would compromise what we're doing with the eggs that are left. Unless we would decide, like, okay, we're done with this and we're moving on to the next clutch, then we could lift it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I would say we could have one more attack on this one. There's still 5 eggs left, 5 intact eggs. They're kind of spread out, but, I only have them all in the field of view right now. Yeah. So, might as well carry on. Maybe I'll start a new video.